Beauty Bars tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a nice style and use it with Google Docs. First we point our browser to the beautybar.appspot.com, and as we can see it's loading a lot of data, and then there's this nice view open, and here we have in the right side various styles we can choose and experiment with. So let's try this equalizer style, and we can see that preview window shows what it looks like. So down here we have this data button, and we can try this chart with various different data values, and it updates automatically. Let's try with 40 here. It's now you can see that this bar is larger now. And then the interesting part, the style. From style menu we can modify this style further. For example, for this style we can change how sparse bars are, and as we can see, as we grow this number, there are more space between those bars. Yeah. So, but let's try with another style. Let's choose this one. It's look very plain. So, but let's choose option show titles. So now we can see that there's some titles down there as well, and we can see that this is very plain diagram, and we can try the different colors. Yeah, blue is nice, green is nice, yeah, and red I think it's best. Yeah, maybe we choose red. So now we have this style, red style, and we are quite happy with that. So let's just preview one more time. Now we can see how it looks in some real context. Yeah. And as we want to use that with other tools, we have to save it. So let's choose file and save. Let's put name red style. Okay, and save. So now it's usable from other tools as well. And that was the first part of our tutorial. Now second part, how to use this just created style from Google Docs or Google Spreadsheet. So we have this spreadsheet here, Google Docs, and we have some data here, and we have some years and some numbers there. So first we choose some data there, and then choose insert gadget to create this or use this style. And under custom menu we type our URL address, which is https://beauty-bar.appspot.com/spreadsheet-gadget.xml, and let's click add to add it. Yeah. So now we have this gadget there, but we have to write style name. That style we saved, red style. Yeah. And then click apply to see what it looks like. So it's receiving data from there. And here is now the chart with this previous made style, and let's just fit it in frame perfectly like that. Yeah. And this is our final presentation. Would look like. It's pretty nice, I think. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and please visit our website. It's on beauty-bar.appspot.com. See you. Bye.